Hi, this is Samuel from Verisoft Systems. So at Verisoft Systems, we provide software solutions to companies where we train the users on how to use the software and also provide after-sales support. So we provide HR and payroll software, hotel and restaurant software, accounting software. We also do custom software development. So in this video, I'm going to take you through one of our software solutions, which is Aruti HR and payroll software. Okay, so basically, Aruti HR and payroll software, as the name suggests, is an HR and payroll software for managing HR and payroll processes and operations. Okay, so this is the front end or the dashboard of the software. There's a back end where most of the setup or the configurations are being done. Okay, so this is the front end. So Aruti comes in models. Okay, so there's the employee model, okay, where all the employees in the organizations are being added. Okay, there are other features like transfer, where employee can be transferred from one location, department to another branch to another. There are other features like putting employee on suspension, termination. Okay, so it's a complete HR and payroll software. Okay, so this is the employee master model. Okay, so there are other models like the leave and time model for managing employee leaves, where employee can apply for the if it has to go through approval for it to be approved and all that. There's also the payroll model, which is for processing employee payroll. Okay, so there's the payroll model where how the payroll of the organization is being structured. So from the beginning, we take a sample payroll report from an organization and set up how the payroll looks like. Okay, so there's what we call the transaction heads, where all the earnings and deduction tax computations are being set up in the system. Okay, so based on how they are being set up, that is what goes into the payroll report and the pay slips and the rest. Okay, so there are other models like the medical model in case the organization has a medical scheme they want to manage in the system. There's a recruitment model, there's discipline model, performance model for appraisal and performances. There's a training model as well. Okay, the basic or the main models are the employee master model for managing the employee records, the leave and time model for leave applications, and also the payroll model. Okay. There's also the report feature where for every model there are reports. So you can see for the payroll model, there's a payroll reports, payslip reports, bank payment list reports, and I think a couple of relevant reports over here. So once we come to say statutory report as well, we have the tax reports, pension fund reports, and all that. There's leave reports. So for every model, there are relevant reports under them. Okay. So in case you need maybe more details on the software, we can arrange for a demo where we have a more detailed discussion on it if you have any questions and all that. Okay, all right. Thank you very much for watching.